we're at my cabinet shop, and sometimes we do a bit more than just cabinets. Sometimes we remodel walls or we break something, and usually we got to change the cover. So we purchase these ones to have them handy when we break them, to change it for people. I'm gonna show you how to install one. So we're gonna change that one that's already broken, as you see, for this brand new one that we just got. And this is an oversized. It's really nice, as you see. See the difference? When you patch walls, a lot of the times mud guys won't do it perfectly, drywall guys, so you always want to get an oversized cover. And there you go, a whole new, brand new cover plate. And this is the one we exchanged. It was broken.
The old one, and it's smaller and it's broken.
See, a lot smaller. So we really love those new oversized covers.